What's poppin', chef? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to save presets on Ableton. Now, right here, I have Vital open, and Vital is a free VST that you can go download. I'll leave a link in the description below. And I have the MIDI that we made yesterday. And so far, I'm using the Distant Majestic lead, and the lead sounds like this. And with the Catnip melody MIDI sounds like this. Now let's say you want to have multiple of them, but you don't want to duplicate it. A duplicate will work, but you wanna add some things into it and save it for your next session. So we can go add some effects. We can add a chorus, right? Play around with that. And then we're gonna add a church reverb. And a compressor. And let's duplicate the chorus again. Let's see how that sounds. And let's say you don't want to have the same melody that we made yesterday. You want to change it up. So I'm gonna increase it by 3 semitones, and it sounds like this. And let's increase the BPM a little bit. And let's say you like the preset and you want to keep like everything how it is. So what I usually do is I right click them all. Alright, so I'm gonna save this as Catnip Deluxe. So now it's changed to Catnip Deluxe. And now if I put it right here, now we have the same instance of Catnip Deluxe. And it shows all the effects we use as well. So, but let's say like you don't want to mess with MIDI no more. You just want to render it out, and we can do that. On the grid, we can right click, we can freeze it. So we freezed it, and now we want to flatten it. And now this is what it sounds like. So now I can just bring it down here. And there's no effects on this one, it's just the rendered audio. Now, why you might want to freeze tracks, sometimes you might just want to reverse it. So I can do this. And I can transpose it easily just by doing this. And then you could chop it and do whatever you want with it from that point on. And if we do a couple undos, and we can chop it from that point on. And that's basically how you do it. I'll leave the rack available for download in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one.